Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Vibe, where learning English becomes simple, natural, and fun. Today's video is going to be super helpful because we're learning English-speaking sentences used in daily life. The same sentences native speakers use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent in your daily conversations. So grab a notebook, grab your focus, and let's start speaking real English. Section 1. Morning Routine Sentences. 1. When you wake up, I need 5 more minutes. I'm up, but not fully awake. Let me stretch a little. 2. When getting ready, I need to freshen up. I'll take a quick shower. What should I wear today? I'm running late again. 3. Breakfast time. What's for breakfast? I'll make some tea coffee. I'm not really hungry this morning. Mini scene, you come out of your room still sleepy. Good morning. I need coffee before I can function. This is exactly how Americans use natural English. Section 2. Home and family sentences. Can you hand me that? Turn the TV down, please. I'll clean this up later. I'm in the middle of something. Give me a second. Let's go for a short walk. Mini scene, your mom calls you. Mom, come here for a minute. You, I'm coming. Section 3. Work and office sentences. I'll get it done. Can we talk later? I'm on a call right now. Let me check and get back to you. That works for me. Sounds good. I'll send it over. Thanks for the update. Mini scene, meeting. Boss, can you finish this by today? You, I'll try my best. I'll keep you posted. Section 4. Outdoor and travel sentences. Let's head out. I'll drive. How long will it take? We're stuck in traffic. Can you slow down a bit? Let's grab something to eat. At a store. Do you have this in a different size? How much is this? I'm just looking around. Section 5. Social and friends sentences. What's your plan for today? Let's hang out. Hit me up later. I'll catch you soon. That's hilarious. You made my day. Mini scene, friend, let's take a break. You, I'm down. Section 6. Phone conversation sentences. Can you hear me? You're breaking up. I'll call you right back. I missed your call. Text me the details. Let's talk in person. Mini dialogue. You, hey, what's up? Friend? Nothing much. Just chilling. Section 7. Shopping and restaurants. Shopping? Where is the trial room? Do you accept cards? Can you pack this, please? Restaurants. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the same. Can we get the check? Mini scene. Waiter. Anything to drink? You. Just water for now. Section 8. Health and feelings. I'm not feeling well. I'm exhausted. I feel much better now. I need some fresh air. I'm stressed out. I'm trying to stay positive. Mini scene. Your friend asks, you okay? You say, yeah, just a little tired. Section 9. Smart daily sentences. Sentences that make your English sound confident and natural. I appreciate it. No worries. It is what it is. Fair enough. Let's keep it simple. I'll figure it out. I'm working on it. Let's take it one step at a time. I see what you mean. That makes sense. Section 10. 50 super useful daily life sentences. 1. I'll be right back. 2. I'm on my way. 3. Don't worry about it. 4. That's not a big deal. 5. I'm almost there. 6. Hold on a second. 7. Can you repeat that? 8. I didn't catch that. 9. You're absolutely right. 10. I agree with you. 11. I'm not sure about that. 12. Let me think. 13. I'll look into it. 14. I'm heading out. 15. I'm getting ready. 16. It's getting late. 17. I'm starving. 18. Let's order something. 19. It's up to you. 20. That's interesting. 21. Don't mention it. 22. I appreciate your help. 23. I'll handle it. 24. Keep me updated. 25. It's really cold today. 26. I'm feeling sleepy. 27. I love this weather. 28. That sounds amazing. 29. I'm not convinced. 30. I'm completely sure. 31. I can't wait. 32. Take your time. 33. I'm proud of you. 34. That was close. 35. It happens. 36. Let it go. 37. I'm listening. 38. I see your point. 39. That's enough for today. 40. I'm calling it a day. 41. Make yourself comfortable. 42. Help yourself. 43. I'm on it. 44. Sorry for the confusion. 45. Absolutely not. 46. I'll think about it. 47. I'll let you know. 48. You never know. 49. This is unbelievable. 50. That's all for now. And that's it for today's video on daily life English speaking sentences. If you use even 10% of these sentences every day, your English will start sounding more fluent, more natural, and more American. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you like the video, Comment Daily Sentence, and subscribe to English Vibe for more powerful English learning videos. I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning. Keep improving. Take care.